Good evening,
everyone.
Welcome to AI 1 Minute for August 23rd, 2023.
Here are the things that happened in the AI world today.
In our second episode, we have mentioned a smaller framework, TinyGrad, that can perform similar functionalities like PyTorch, used for AI training. Today, a repository called TinyGrad is trending on GitHub, which is even more tiny than TinyGrad, that does the same thing. 90% of functionalities of TinyGrad can be achieved using TinyGrad.
Researchers from the Applied Research Center at Tencent published a paper describing a technology called GAN, which can be used for blind face restoration, which means restoring details of a face image and enhance the colors. The underlying technology is a pre-trained face scan that allows some degree of blind face restoration.
On the side of security, as Google mentioned to implement more security measures before, today Gmail has implemented another security feature that needs users to verify it's you before performing sensitive actions, such as forwarding an email address linked with the current one.
Today, Nvidia's stock skyrocketed to increase over 9% today, following the company releasing the 105% year-over-year sales growth for July.
That's it for today. See our video intro to learn more. Good night.
Good night.